A St. Louis couple making headlines worldwide today after pointing guns at protesters who were walking outside their Central West End home. Their image making the front page one day after that incident. The couple, both lawyers, say they feared for their lives, but could they now face charges? News 4's Alexis Zotto spoke with legal experts to find out what could happen next.
Steve, Portland Place is where this all happened. It's a private street that hires its own private security. I have been digging into these private streets tonight, and I spoke with the head of the Central West End Neighborhood Security Initiative, and he says what that means is if you don't live on the street, it is considered trespassing to even just be walking down the sidewalk. We've been talking to legal experts about the rights of that couple tonight. In a live stream video, you can see protesters marched from Kings Highway and turned onto Portland Place. Video shows them walking through an open gate. The large Central West End home is owned by the McCloskeys.
I stood up and announced loudly, "This is private property. Please go back. Leave." As soon as I said the words private property, it enraged the crowd.
Get the hell out of my neighborhood!
Personal injury attorneys Mark McCloskey and his wife are seen holding weapons outside their home. We've consulted with multiple legal experts to find out their rights.
My initial reaction was that it looked pretty threatening, especially what the wife was doing.
John Ammon is a SLU law professor. He says there are plenty of protections in place in Missouri, including stand your ground, castle doctrine, and open carry. But he says the key here is the manner in which the guns are held.
Those protections would not allow you to aim a gun unless there was some threat that somebody was coming towards them or attempting to get inside their house.
Criminal defense attorney Christy Flint says it's going to come down to evidence and the prosecuting attorney.
The law in Missouri says that it's illegal to display a gun in an angry or threatening manner. And whether or not what those homeowners were doing was in an angry or threatening manner, comes down to the prosecuting attorney who reviews the evidence.
The McCloskeys said they feared for their lives. Protest organizer and state rep Rasheen Aldridge said he didn't hear any direct threats, but he said they did intentionally march on the private street.
Us walking through a street that is private property, we don't feel like is a major deal, especially because it's a gated off special community. They also need to feel the uncomfortability and pain of what people are saying when they talk about change.
So that couple said they did call 911. Police tell us tonight they are investigating the trespassing as well as intimidation, they say, by protesters. Now, prosecuting attorney, Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner saying tonight that she is also investigating and says that they will not allow the First Amendment rights to be trampled, that they will be holding people accountable. Count on News 4 to continue following this story.